So let's start our first class with knowing what AI is. So when I Google what artificial intelligence is, the website that gets listed first is builtin.com. So this website says artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These words, human intelligence, are important. This kind of tries to say that artificially intelligent machines try to mimic human intelligence. Now let's see what Wikipedia says about artificial intelligence. It says artificial intelligence is any system that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of achieving its goals. So here, this word perceives its environment are important. That says that artificial intelligence systems they perceive their environment and based on that they can take actions. And this sets the stage for the definition of machine learning. So, machine learning is a very focused part of artificial intelligence, and this is the most talked about and possibly the most powerful part of artificial intelligence. So, to make you understand what machine learning is, let me try to give you an example. When we humans are born, we as infant may not know many things like how to walk or how to talk, right? But with experience, gradually we learn walking and talking, etc. But these machines, can they learn from their experience? So if the machine is not machine learning enabled, they work on instructions only for which they are programmed. But machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. So, before going into the maths and theories of machine learning, let us first see what mountains we can move with machine learning. Just kidding. Well, you may take this joke seriously and may actually move mountains physically with the help of AI in future. Nothing is impossible with AI. Let's watch a Hollywood movie together. I mean, Hollywood movie clip. What say? So Hollywood movies fascinate us because of their super duper portrayal of science fiction, isn't it? So let's watch a clip from the movie Knight Rider. We are gonna watch a smart car with autonomous driving capability. This car has got many superpowers that a normal car that we generally use do not have. While watching this clip, please observe what these superpowers are.
Wait.
So this lady is hiding from some goons.
Oh, thank God. Someone's following me. You tell me in the library.
Directly.
I will never help you.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Here comes our smart hero car.
Sarah, get in. The mansion's perimeter was breached by...
This car is driving completely autonomously. See, there's no one at the driving seat.
men with hostile intent. My program for that scenario is very specific.
Who are these guys?
They are the same men who assaulted the Grayman home last night.
So it's able to recognize people's faces also.
Did my dad give you a name?
I am the Knight Industries 3000. You may call me Kip.
Wrong side, wrong side!
satellite imagery, I have all the data necessary to safely navigate
So it's telling what sensor it's using for it being autonomous.
these roads.
Great. Did my dad get a chance to, test this?
Not extensively, no.
Oh, God! Yeah, this isn't fun at all.
Route for 23.8 miles.
Hit stop sign!
There is another option, however.
And see what happens. The car can change its appearance too.
That's incredible.
It should provide adequate cover until we reach our destination.
So indeed a superpower, a supercar, isn't it? Now let us try to list the superpowers that the car has as we have observed in the movie clip. First, the car was driving itself without any support from any living person, right? And it was interacting with the girl. So there are multiple aspects to this interaction. The car was not just able to listen to the girl, but it could understand what she was saying, and not just that, it was replying back. So it was interacting with the girl. So these all are part of natural language processing. Again, the car could recognize human faces, right? Like when the car came and it saw the girl, it could recognize that the girl was the owner of the car, and then it automatically opens the door and the girl sits in. So it was able to recognize human faces. Again, what are other things that we observed in the clip? The car says that it uses these sensors like GPS, satellite imagery, radar that help it to drive driverlessly, right? So let me tell you, ships and planes, they use radar to help them navigate in fog or in other bad weather conditions. These days car making companies, they use laser sensors. They need to use laser sensors because like see, this cars are moving in 3D environment, right? So they need to perceive their 3D environment, and for that perception they need to capture their 3D environment through some 3D sensors. So laser sensors are one such example, but these laser sensors are quite bulky and expensive. That's why these days this self-driving car making companies are trying to use only 2D sensors, that is cameras, but in stereo setup. We'll talk about it later. And what is the last feature that we have observed in the smart car? It's the car changes its appearance. Cool, isn't it? Is there any other feature that you would like to add to the smart car, assuming that you own this car? If you ask me, I would say since I'm interacting with it, I would like it to understand my emotions too. Emotional intelligence is the most advanced part of artificial intelligence. Emotional intelligent machines not just understand your emotions, but also can interact with you in an emotional way. Is there any other feature you would like to add to your smart car? If yes, please mention that too in the comment section below. Now the question comes, do such smart cars with such super features exist in reality? The answer is yes and no. Yes, because currently many car companies, even some non-car companies, are trying to make self-driving cars. Tesla Model 3 and Model Y are such examples. The other superpowers, the other features that we had listed, that too do exist in reality, thanks to AI, but they do exist in different product forms. Still, no car company has integrated these features with an autonomous car, although these features are easily integratable to cars. So let's see a demo of a self-driving car, better say an autopilot car by Tesla. So you set the parameters and then you can relax back. These autopilot cars by Tesla are not completely autonomous. According to the levels of self-driving as suggested by this Society of Automotive Engineers, Tesla autopilot cars are at level 2 of automation. That is, they need constant driver supervision for driving. The different labels set by SAE are from level 0 to level 5, where level 0 means no driving automation at all, level 1 means driver assistance, level 2 means partial driving automation, level 3 conditional driving automation, level 4 high driving automation, and final is level 5 where the driving is completely fully autonomous. So now come to this driverless bus named EZ10. This is a shuttle which can carry up to 12 passengers. So this car has, this bus has reached level 4 according to the standards set by SAE. This bus is Europe's first vehicle authorized to operate fully autonomously on a public road. This bus EZ10 is currently moving in a medical facility in France. Till now, we have seen how AI has enabled cars to drive autonomously. What about the other smart features that the smart car in the movie clip has? Is it really possible to have them in real life? The answer is yes. Do you want to see how AI has enabled other smart features such as a robot or a computer talking to you just like any human does? For many such application examples, stay tuned for the next part of our first seminar.